For the past couple of days, I haven't really been feeling like myself. Like my eyes are swollen, lack of sleep. Everything has just been going wrong. I was supposed to go out on a date today with one of my friends, but unfortunately she cancelled like literally 2 hours before. So I decided, why not just take the day for myself? I already budgeted for it and everything. So I'm gonna see what it's like to go on a self-care date. So to start off my morning, I decided to tidy my room, make up my bed, all of that stuff with what little energy I have, or had I should say. Rain literally just started falling, so now I'm kind of thinking if I should still go on the road because I don't do well with rainy weather. Like my sinuses act up, my throat starts to block up, everything. My allergies act up, all of that. So I'm now wondering if I should still go on the road, but I'm gonna go because I really feel like getting out of the house and just taking the time for myself. So first task completed, tidying my room. Let's see what else I can get done. Alright guys, so I had the loaded fries, the shrimp alfredo pasta, and a large Oreo milkshake. Everything was $4 grand, not too expensive. Now here's the shrimp alfredo, and let me tell you something, this was 10 out of 10. It was just perfect, seasoned right, not too creamy, not too crunchy. It was just perfect. Loaded fries, my second favorite. The cheese, delicious. Bacon, delicious. Like, look how gorgeous it is. It was just good food. The Oreo milkshake, I absolutely love. You know, I'm a fan of chocolate and whatever, so this was perfect for me. Like, here's all three of them looking so good, so yummy. Now, I also walked with my puzzle book to kind of keep myself distracted and just away from everything and everyone. So this was the puzzle that I was working on at the time, you know. And I had fun. It was relaxing. Now here's my outfit. Yes, it was a red themed day for me. So you know, I got a red bag, red romper. I was feeling cute, feeling a little bit better. So you know, I was kind of feeling myself here. I was definitely feeling myself here. So I was happy. So Brew'd Awakenings definitely has good vibes, yo. You see them, I play a little coffee, you know, relax and just chill. So I just got home, and overall I think I had a really good day. I think I might have caught a cold because of the rainy weather. As I mentioned earlier, like rainy weather is not my favorite, so I might have caught a cold. Not too sure, I've been sneezing on and off, but it's about 5:45 thereabout, and I'm home. I have to get ready for choir practice, which is at 6:30, so I'm gonna just rest off and then head down. But I had a good day. I feel a little bit better. Well, not a little bit. I feel pretty much better. Not 100%, but I'm getting there. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed my day as much as I did. Bye.